Cleaning your fan with socks? Does it work? Well, I'm here to test it out so you don't have to.
So I saw a couple of videos on YouTube where you clean your fan with socks, and of course I wanted to give it a try. So you do have the pillowcase option as well, but today we are going to be using socks.
Now let's see how well this works on my filthy fan. And does it even work?
According to the videos on YouTube, this sock is supposed to clean the blade super fast by folding it, which will cut the cleaning time in half. Of course, you can use a cleaning solution of your choice. I am using the Lysol all-purpose cleaner. Drench, drench, drench. Yes, make sure it's nicely soaked with the cleaning solution. Now let's see how well this works. Again, as you can see, my fan desperately needs it. So this is a perfect example to see if this is going to clean that. So we have our sock here and fold it in two like so. And now let's clean it.
And by folding it into two, it's supposed to help keep the dust in. And so far, for me, it's not working as expected. Okay, so I was definitely struggling a little, and that is because the size, the length of the sock, maybe I need a longer sock, which led me to this. A sock for me, not gonna cut it, especially if you have a filthy fan like mine was. And no guys, you do not need a sock to clean your fan. Do yourself a favor, go in your cabinet and use a regular rag, a washcloth, or old t-shirt. Especially if your fan is in need of a serious cleaning, the sock is not gonna cut it. Now, if there's not much to clean on your fan and you just need to do a quick wipe down, 1 or 2 swipe, boom, boom, done, then yeah, maybe the sock will work. But if you actually have a dirty fan and you need to get it clean, no. To clean your dirty ceiling fan, you will need several socks, which I did use in this video, and you will need to go over it several times to get that clean look. And I do mean several times. Go ahead and try it, guys, using a sock to clean your fan. Let me know in the comments below if it works for you. Lastly, no need to ruin your perfectly good socks when you already have washcloths that you clean with anyways in the home. Towards the end, I did go over it with a washcloth, and this is how it turned out. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't ever miss a video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.